The crypto crash of 2022 continues, and Bitcoin broke 19,000 within the last 24 hours, finding some support in the 18,000 price range. However, Bitcoin could be primed to move a lot lower, and we're going to talk about that as this crash continues. A financial expert gives her opinions on what we can see from Bitcoin. And of course, what we see from Bitcoin usually results in what we see in the overall crypto market. We're not yet out of the woods, and we're going to jump into it in this video. I'll be right back. Hit that like button though, real quick. I'll be right back. All right, welcome back to the channel. So a technical analyst says another crash could be coming for the world's biggest crypto. Expect the worst, hope for the best. That is the situation we find ourselves in right now with crypto, and really the situation we find ourselves in with all of the markets, right? But a top analyst says Bitcoin still has plenty of room to fall, even though it just sagged below $19,000 yesterday. This article came out early this morning. So if we scroll on down here, it says, according to Fairlead Strategies, Katie Stockton, Bitcoin's negative momentum points to another 27% fall as it tests a key support level. Okay, well, what does that mean in terms of price? Here it is. On Thursday, Bitcoin slipped about 5% to sag below that $19,000 range. Again, we've been here before. The bottom thus far has been 17.5 for Bitcoin. However, if the crypto breaks the 18,300 support level, like it did once before, Stockton said it could free fall all the way to its 2019 highs of about $13,900. That's right, a Bitcoin price under $14,000 is certainly in the cards. What this would do to altcoins? Well, most likely it would decimate a lot of the top altcoins here in the short term, providing bigger opportunities for investors. And there are people seeking opportunities during these times. Let's face it, when the market is like this, it's been in the red for a while, this is the time to accumulate. I like the dollar cost average. I'm buying Bitcoin every single day. Still, I continue to do that. I'm buying Ethereum every single day. I continue to do that. Yesterday, I added to some of my favorite altcoins, Gala Games and Cardano. I continue to do that on a weekly basis, but I'm always keeping dry powder on the sidelines for a larger dip. That way I can inject more liquidity into the market. So if we scroll on down, we can also see what really has drove this. And a lot of it is shaky investor confidence, right? This has sparked a wave of deleveraging in the sector, especially in crypto. Retail investors are now scaling back their margin accounts. Miners are selling Bitcoin after using it as leverage to expand their operations in the past. However, there are some analysts who believe the deleveraging cycle is nearing its end, which is a good sign, right? Now, companies in the space have taken a big hit. Many of the huge giants in the space like Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Gemini have cut back employees. However, FTX is an interesting one of the top exchanges in the United States. And Sam Bankman-Fried, he is seeing opportunities. Now, according to reports, Bankman-Fried's crypto exchange is in talks to buy BlockFi, a crypto lending platform. There were some rumors that they were in the market to acquire Robinhood. Those rumors have been squashed by Bankman-Fried himself, but this news is coming from a source from CNBC, said that FTX is expected to pay roughly $25 million, 99% below BlockFi's last private valuation. Think about that. BlockFi CEO Zach Prince took to Twitter to comment on the report. It comes after the block reported that FTX was also interested in making a deal with Celsius, but walked away because of the state of its finances. Of course, we know what happened with Celsius. U.S. stock futures also fell early this morning after the S&P 500 closed out its worst first half of the year since 1970. Think about that. You could see the latest market moves here by clicking this link, but the worst half of a year since 1970. This is where millionaires are made in all of the markets, crypto and in stocks. This is the time. This is the time that we have to look at this and say, okay, with the dry powder I have, with the excess money that I have on the sidelines, what am I going after? What do I have the highest conviction in? That's how I like to think about this. It's not the time to take crazy amounts of risk. Where do you see the best chances for economic gain in your portfolio right now by accumulating top projects in the crypto market? That is the question I think everybody needs to be asking themselves. So that's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know your thoughts about all this down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for popping in. I really appreciate it. And I will catch you all in the next video. Take care.